Two powerful website builders, one burning question: which one is truly best for your business? On one side, Webflow, known for its design freedom and advanced customization. On the other, Durable, promising lightning-fast site creation and AI-powered simplicity. We're putting Webflow and Durable through side-by-side tests that actually matter: speed, design flexibility, pricing, ease of use, features, and support. Let's cut through the hype and focus on what really counts. Points are awarded in each category, so you'll know exactly which builder comes out on top. And the winner, it might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Let's sketch out the categories we'll compare. Price, super important, right? Then speed and ease, design power, which is kind of my jam, features, editing experience, and finally the ecosystem and community. Trust me, these matter more than you think. First up, price. So Webflow has a free plan that gets your foot in the door, plus their pricing is laid out pretty transparently. But quick warning, it can get expensive if your site starts blowing up with traffic. The tiers can be kinda confusing too. Now with Durable, I've gotta say it's super tempting for anyone on a budget. You get this AI-built site free, and the pricing overall, simple, all-in-one, makes decisions way easier. Just watch out: if you want your very own domain or a few more features, you'll need to upgrade. But overall, for value, Durable takes the win here. Now let's get into speed and ease. Webflow is famous for its drag-and-drop builder and that sweet, almost code-like flexibility. And this is a big but, it isn't the easiest thing ever, at least at first. You'll probably scratch your head a bit, then you try Durable, and wow, you throw in a few details and boom, you've got a site in seconds. It's kind of mind-blowing. Of course, you don't get a lot of say in how things are placed, and editing is basic, but it's just so fast and hands-off. So for pure speed and not having to think too much, Durable wins this one too. Alright, design power. Now this is where things get interesting. Webflow is, honestly, in a different league here. You can go wild, pixel-perfect layouts, slick animations, the whole designer playground. It can definitely be overwhelming if you're just starting, but for creativity, nothing compares. Durable, on the other hand, spits out a clean, modern look out of the box, which is cool, but you don't have a ton of templates or detailed control. Really, if design is your main thing, Webflow takes it, no question. Oh, and here's something cool: Webflow is trusted by Fortune 500 brands, so you know it's serious business. But Durable can get you launching a legit business site in like under a minute. How wild is that? Let's talk features. Webflow is stacked. Content management, e-commerce, advanced forms, SEO, membership tools, even custom logic flows. It is almost everything except for a built-in AI site generator. Durable flips the script. It's got AI content, pulls images for you, even throws in a little AI CRM. But if you need those advanced or business features, Durable just doesn't keep up. So feature-wise, Webflow grabs the win here. Now, editing experience. In Webflow, once you get the hang of it, you've got full control: layers, CSS, all the pro stuff. The catch is it can feel a bit techy and overwhelming, and you're probably going to spend a little time learning it all. Durable keeps things super simple. You basically edit your text and images, and that's pretty much it. It's easy, no tech skills required, but you lose that fine-grained control. For serious editing, Webflow edges ahead. And finally, ecosystem and community. Webflow absolutely crushes this. There's a massive, active online community, tons of forums, video tutorials, templates, plugins, the works. Want to find a solution to a problem? It's out there. Durable is just getting started. It's got some AI-driven resources and it's growing, but honestly, the community and third-party support just aren't there yet. So yeah, Webflow is the clear winner here. Looking at the radar chart, you'll see Durable absolutely dominates on price and ease of use, while Webflow takes the crown for features, design, and community. Editing is kinda close, but Webflow squeaks ahead. So bottom line, if you're a designer or someone who wants serious control and the ability to scale up, Webflow is your tool. But if you just want to launch a clean, working site as fast as humanly possible, especially for freelance gigs or small biz, Durable is kind of unbeatable. Depends on what you want, right? Found this useful? Stick around and follow us for all the latest on no-code tools, because let's be real, they're only getting crazier.